What's up, YouTube? GV Trades here again, up for another day. It's currently December 3rd, and I did take a loss last night while I was asleep. So let me go over that trade right now. So withdrawals on liquidity last night was basically previous daily high, daily low, and this London session. London highs that were never tapped back in November 13. The same thing, November 12 London highs. So going into the day, my conditions for me, if I'm going long, is if we respect this 1 hour gap right here, which we did. Like 7 o'clock we tapped into it and we pushed back up. And then I was also waiting for this gap to be filled. This was a new day opening gap right here. So I was waiting for that to be filled. Let's see. So I was looking for something like this. Like that. And then target the draw on liquidity up there. As you can see, I went long. Actually, I got break even first. So I took a break even and I took a loss. So let me go over that break even trade first, I guess. So basically we filled the gap. We inverse this 15-minute gap right here. But I don't think I entered there. I think I entered somewhere here. I believe I may have entered. Yeah, my first long was around here, I think. This 5-minute displacement candle. I had a 25-point stop loss. So I was going for a. Obviously, I wanted to, because I was trying to make $1,000. And I want to break even when we hit the previous daily high. So I got break even around here, 9:30. That's my first trade. So risk-free trade on that one. And then I saw that we made a retracement somehow. And we inversed this 5-minute gap as well. So I was like, you know what, let me go for this continuation trade. And I'm gonna target this London high right here. So I entered off with this 5-minute inverse right here. I put my stop loss for a 1-to-1 basically. And as you can see, it didn't work out. I actually risked $1,000 in this trade because I was just trying to get the $1,000 so that way I can request a payout. But obviously, I lost the $1,000 instead, and I failed to realize that I shouldn't have even been longing at this point anymore, due to the fact that we already took the draw on liquidity, which was previous daily high, and there's like what, 50 points. We're like 50 points away from the next draw, and we pretty much just chopped throughout the night until I got stopped at around 5:50. So this trade pretty much took all night, and I actually went to sleep after this. I could have gone break even on this high right here, but I just let it be. I went to sleep. I woke up red, as you can see. So at this point, for me to meet the consistency rule, I need to at least make $2,000 now. So basically, I need to either make 4 500s or 2 1,000 wins. So that's what I'm gonna be aiming for. This consistency rule is getting a little tiring. I'll probably get the advanced accounts if I do end up blowing the account. If not, at this point I'll probably just start risking $1,000 for a 1-to-1, because I have such a high win rate with 1-to-1s anyways, as long as my draw on liquidity is correct. But obviously for this one, I kind of overextended I think I went long on the premium area as well. And obviously the draw on liquidity was already taken, so there's really no point in me you know, logging this trade, but whatever. I guess the short could have played out actually, because I was actually thinking of going short, like shorting this trade actually before I even decided to go long. But I was planning to do something like this with a 50-point stop loss. Same thing. I was going for. This was my first plan actually, since we already took a draw on liquidity, and just go for a 1-to-1 at this point. Take down like these untapped gaps. It could have worked out, but you know, I can't really predict. This is more of a reversal trade at this point. But anyways, yeah, took the L last night. Today basically. I'll be back tonight or tomorrow. We'll see if I see some drawn liquidity for tonight or tomorrow, whatever. Yeah, I'll probably start risking $1,000 instead, just for the alpha zeros, because like I said, this 40% consistency rule is getting a little tiring to keep doing. Like I could have requested a payout by now if it wasn't for the consistency rule, but it is what it is. It's part of the rules, so just gotta keep track of it and follow it. Yeah, that's my trade for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.